Entryway probably deserves more attention than any other room in our home. Still not sure which entryway design will look best in your home? Here are some examples of modern entryway for an inspiration, along with decor ideas for making your entryway beautiful, living, and functional. If you have small entryway, add a light fixture. If your entryway is narrow, hang is a mirror to make the area seems larger. Add a small bench or console table against the wall beneath your mirror or piece of artwork. To make your entryway feel cohesive, try to think of it as a glimpse into your personality. Start with the color, pattern, or style you love. Add in some art essence and furnishing that brings your foyer to a life.